Mario, once again, I'm in the process of repairing this, my own all-in-one, sort of all-in-one control system for one of my 1S Li-Pol RC Ultralights, the green model that I showed, the boxy looking model that I showed in a previous video. So this one is assembled with independent servos, independent receiver. This is one of those little tiny receivers that I got from Hobby King a while back when they were selling these little tiny receivers. Those little tiny servos are the same size as the ones that are used on those all-in-one control boards for the WL 911 helicopters. So it's the weight is very similar. This is my own 3D printed plate where I attach all these items to, and then this goes on the bottom of the aircraft. This is the circuit board from a servo, just a standard micro servo that I pulled out so that I can use it as my speed control. But this one is a bad one. It went bad, so I'm going to replace this one with another. Actually, I was thinking of making my own, with some better MOSFETs, because these MOSFETs here, they only they can only hold up to so much current, and it's not very much for these little motors. So if you're really pulling a lot of power from the propeller, from the motor, it's going to probably blow the those little MOSFETs here. I don't even know. I'm not even sure if they are MOSFETs or just regular transistors that they use on these little tiny amplifiers. But I am thinking of making my own. It's not very difficult to make a speed control for these little motors, and then I'll be reassembling this and putting it back together with the aircraft and getting it back in shape for another flight. So just wanted to capture this as part of this sequence of short videos that I've been doing on all these little micro airplanes that I've been pulling out from the shelves and kind of cleaning them up, revamping them, and getting them flying again. So this is where I'm at with this system right here. You can see the receiver. I have a little more time on this video. So this receiver is, I believe this receiver is a 6-channel receiver. I mean, it packs a lot of power in this little tiny board. So I mean, I'm only using 3 channels here. The rudder, elevator, and the motor throttle. That's all I need. But it can be used for other things, as turning on lights and